Hello guys, welcome back to 24 Tech. It's been a while I have posted a video. I'm sorry, I was just messing up with cousins and all. So this is the camera which I was talking about last week, and I've posted a Instagram story on it. So this is the Sony handycam. We have some stickers. It claims and is of course zooms 60 times optical, which is really crazy. And if I turn around, I can see it can zoom 2000 times digitally. 2000 times, that's really crazy, huh? 2000 times, how can you say that, huh? So this is how it looks from the front, and this is from the side. Let's open this up and get started. So let me just put it in my hand as it should be, and opening it up, it gives me notification about shutter, and there is what a setup waiting for me. I'll complete it at as fast as possible, and I'm done. So we're in, and as you can see, I don't know if it records like what kind of a video. It's mostly around 480p, not full HD. So this video I'm going to upload in 720p, so I don't have to stretch that video a lot. This also has got a photo mode which can zoom equally, and there's a click button upwards which can click a photo, and there is a photo. To record a video, we have a button in the usual position, so we can check out the recording, and photos are really crazy. Those are insane. Alright, so let me get you to the footage. Okay, here's the footage, and I have got a nest on the electricity meter. Okay, there it goes. Where did it go? Okay, I got that. Yeah, is the mom, I guess. That's the mom. Mom usually spend time with the kids and the dad, huh? These are the two chicks, I can say. One has grown a bit really larger, so it's flapping around. It's figuring out how to fly, I guess. It's looking. And here's a normal walking test, and I'm going to show you how much it can zoom. So let me place this camera on my car, and then I can show you how it zooms. So here we go. There we're starting zooming. This is around 50 times zoom, and now slowly getting into 60 times zoom. Absolutely there. This one is a picture while I'm 60 times zoomed in. I can literally see what's hung on that tank, which I can never see with my eyes. I can just see there's something, but not what it is. Taking out some different lighting conditions and shooting in some balanced lighting in my society. So let's sneak into someone's home. What's going on there? There's two, what is that? There are two plants and one shirt. I'm bad with the color, so I'm not gonna color it. Not gonna say the color, which color it is. I'm really bad at colors. So this is what we get at the image when we zoom into 100%, 60 times insane zoom. I didn't try the 2000 times zoom because it was highly unstable, while 60 times, and I don't know how much would it be. While 2000 times, we can track something. Yeah, I'm gonna track this stray dog right now. So you can keep it in the frame till a long distance. Yeah, you can zoom in, out, and do whatever you want. I can keep this dog in a frame till it just moves out of the sight. Okay, so that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends to share this insanely zoomable camera. Alright, goodbye. talk to you guys in the next video.